Experiencing a key not detected error in your Nissan Pathfinder? It means the car isn't recognizing your key fob, usually due to a dead battery. Don't panic. This video provides a simple bypass to get you back on the road. This issue affects roughly 15 to 20% of Pathfinder owners annually. We'll cover the primary cause and how to quickly resolve it. Almost all Pathfinder key fobs have a hidden mechanical key. Locate the release button on your fob, usually near the panic button, and slide out the key. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. This is your primary bypass method and works in over 90% of cases. Once inside the vehicle, place the key fob as close as possible to the Start-Stop button. While holding the fob near the button, press the Start button as you normally would to start the engine. The vehicle should now recognize the key's transponder chip, despite the dead battery. For owners of 2022 or newer Pathfinder models equipped with Nissan Connect, your smartphone can serve as a digital key backup. This modern solution allows you to unlock and start your vehicle directly from your phone when the physical key fob fails. To use this feature, first open the Nissan Connect app on your smartphone. Make sure the digital key option is enabled in your account settings. Once set up, you can unlock the doors and start the engine through the app interface. Your phone needs to be in Bluetooth range of the vehicle for the connection to work. This digital key feature is available on approximately 70% of new Pathfinder models released as of 2025, providing a convenient backup to traditional key fobs. If the mechanical key and fob proximity method doesn't work, don't panic. Here are some troubleshooting steps to try. First, ensure the fob battery is truly dead. A weak battery can still cause detection problems. Next, if you have a spare key fob, try using it instead. This can help determine if the issue is with that specific fob. Make sure you're pressing the Start button firmly. Sometimes a light touch isn't enough for the sensor to detect the fob. If you're in cold weather, the battery performance can be reduced. Try warming the fob slightly in your hands or pocket. When basic bypass methods don't work, it may indicate your Pathfinder's immobilizer system requires a professional reset. This typically needs a specialized diagnostic scan tool that dealerships and certified mechanics use to communicate with the vehicle's ECU. The diagnostic tool reads and resets the immobilizer codes safely, ensuring the system recognizes your key fob again. Attempting to do this yourself with generic tools can cause additional security issues or damage the system. Always contact a Nissan dealership or ASE certified mechanic for this service. They have the proper equipment and software updates specific to your Pathfinder model year. DIY immobilizer resets are not recommended as they can lead to permanent lockouts or require expensive ECU replacement. Professional service ensures proper reprogramming without voiding your warranty. The cost for this professional service typically ranges from $200 to $500, depending on your location and specific Pathfinder model. This is much more affordable than dealing with a completely locked-out vehicle. To prevent future key not detected issues, replace your key fob battery every 2 to 3 years. Watch for the low battery warning on your dashboard, which indicates it's time for a change. Use the correct CR2032 battery type and carefully follow the instructions in your owner's manual for safe replacement. The battery itself costs just $5 to $10. The future of car keys is increasingly digital. Nissan is moving towards ultra-wideband UWB technology for secure, battery-free digital keys via smartphones. Expect app-based keys to become more prevalent, potentially phasing out physical keys altogether by 2030. Always stay updated with Nissan's latest technology for seamless access.